How to buy cryptocurrency on Best Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency on Best Wallet app. You will need to open the Best Wallet application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Enter the passcode or use your biometrics in order to access your wallet. Once after logging into your wallet, you will land on this page. Here at the top, you will be able to locate the buy option, usually indicated by the plus icon. Tap on the buy icon and this will take you to the buy section. In this page, now you will need to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the crypto you'd like to purchase. Simply tap on the crypto at the right side in the second row and select the crypto from here. I'd like to purchase Ethereum, so I'm selecting Ethereum here. Once after selecting, now you can choose the currency. Tap on the currency and choose your local currency from here. Once after selecting that, now you will need to specify how much cryptocurrency you want to buy, either in your local currency or in the crypto amounts below. Once after doing that, now you will need to review all the transaction details. Select your payment method. After that, here tap on this Buy ETH option at the bottom, and now you will be connected to Get Connect. Here you will need to log in to Get Connect. Tap on the login button at the bottom and log into your account. Once doing that, you will be able to proceed further. After that, confirm your purchase and your cryptocurrency will be credited to your wallet shortly after the transaction is processed. Also ensure that you have completed identity verification or KYC verification on this platform. So by following these steps, you should be able to purchase or buy cryptocurrency on Best Wallet app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.